start to record, okay? So the area of the circle equals radius times pi, right, Grace? Do you still remember? Okay, so how do we calculate the volume of the cone is something related to the volume of the cylinder. Do you still remember how to do that? The volume of the cylinder is what? 哦，以前都学过的 cylinder 就是一个柱形，对不对？ So it's like that. So you have the volume. So you first calculate the area of the circle and you time the h. Correct? 真的忘了 Do you still remember, Michael? Okay, so the cylinder 忘了 OK， 好，我先给你们说一下 cylinder 的事情。哎呀 ，cylinder 忘了呀，等一下啊。哎呀，等一下。Okay, so everybody, could you please take a look at the Google?
Okay.
Okay, everybody, can you see it? So this is a cylinder. Yeah. Okay, so cylinders looks like that. So we have the area and times height. So area times height equals volume. Understand, everybody?
Understand.
Okay, so now let's just calculate the volume of the cylinder first, okay? So first we have the radius equals 4 centimeter and we find the height equals 10 centimeter, okay? The first one. The second one, the radius equals 10 centimeter and the height equals 4 centimeter. So everybody please calculate the volume of the cylinder for me. Thank you. Okay, so when you finish, Alex 在做吗？我看到你一直头抬着的啊，你看其他小朋友头都低下去做了啊。Okay, I have received 4 answers. Let's see.
Wait, where?
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So in order to find the first volume, it's 4 times 4 times pi times 10, right? So this one is the area of the circle, and this is height. So the answer is 160 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so the second one, if you times 3.1, that's fine. So it's 160 times 3.14 centimeter cube. So I'm going to calculate it. 160 times 3.14 equals 506, sorry, 502.4. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So next one is 10 times 10 times pi times 4. So the answer is 400 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so if you want to times 3.14, it's 12.1256 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so if you give me 400 pi, I accepted you as a right answer. If you give me this one, I also accept. But everybody, don't forget you have the unit here. Get it? Okay, good job, Lilac. Very good. Okay, so everybody, do you understand how to do the cylinder? Jasper? Michael? Okay, oh, I understand, right? So now let's move forward to the cone, okay? So when we see the cone, it's usually happened in the ice cream, right? 好，有没有小朋友想过，为什么 ice cream 不做成这个样子的形状？你们有没有想过 ？Have you ever think about it when you're little？今年 ice cream，Daniel 吃了很多，有没有看到 ice cream 都是放在这个 cone 里面的？没有 ice cream 放在这样子的 cylinder 里面的，你们有没有想过为什么？Because they are very bad. OK，我们来看看啊，一模一样的 cylinder 和一模一样的 cone. So the cone, if the cylinder with the radius of 4. Okay, so let's do 3. Okay, the radius 3. Okay, so 3 centimeter. And the cone also have the radius of 3 centimeter. And the height, we just do 10 centimeter and also 10 centimeter. So let's see what is the differences between a cylinder and cone's volume. So what is the volume? That means how many ice cream, how much ice cream you're going to take when you're having them filled up with ice cream. Correct, Michael? Correct, Jasper? 对不对？就是里面装满了 ice cream 的时候有多少？ So let's do the cylinder first. 3 times 3 times pi times 10 equals 90 pi centimeter cube. And let's talk about the cone, because cone is 3 times 3 times pi times 10, but everybody divided by 3. Okay, so there's only 30 pi centimeter cube. So now you understand why the ice cream must have put it into the cone instead of the cylinder. Do you understand why? Because they are saving 2/3 of the ice cream in the cone rather than in the cylinder, but they look like the same. Do you understand me, Grace? OK， 因为它们的高度是一样的，对不对？看起来那个 cone 手里捏起来还很好捏，对不对？好，小朋友就说啊，let's have a cone. But actually, the cylinder is giving you way much more ice cream. So that's why every time we go to the ice cream shop, I always want a cup instead of the cone. Get it?
But the always shorter.
Yeah, it's short. But the thing is, 你知道吗？我们以前算过，就是你放在 cone 里面的和这个 cup 里面，这个 cup 虽然比较短，但是它是塞满的，它比 cone 多很多。知道吗？So math is everywhere. Can save yourself with more ice cream. Okay, so everybody, if you want, can you do number 1 and number 2 together? Okay, everything is the same. The radius times height and divided by 3. Jasper, do you remember that?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 questions together, okay? OK，做好了以后发给老师啊，一道一道发啊。One whatever, two whatever。
一道一道发吗？
对，就告诉我一，然后等于什么，二等于什么。嗯哼。Good job, Jasper, Michael. I have received your first question and both of you get it right. Very good. Thank you, Daniel. Daniel, but remember they said using 3.14 as pi, okay? You have to calculate it. I noticed that you always didn't give me the pi as the answer.
Oh, oops.
Okay, very good. So everybody, I have seen everybody is trying. So let's see this one. So yeah. So the height is 7. This one's 5. So 5 times pi times 7 divided by 3. Okay, everybody, did you get the same thing as me? Okay, so I'm going to have 25 times 7 divided by 3 times 3.14 equals 183.17. So we just leave with 2 decimals. Jasper, understand? Okay, we don't do 1.6666666. It's going to be a lot of 6, right? And also we have learned the decimals 183.16. So 6 on top of it has a repeating one. Do you still remember, Jasper? Okay, we don't do that, okay? So coin has a 3 centimeter, and don't forget meters cube. 我看到这次所有小朋友给我的答案里面都没有 unit， 对不对？啊，没有 unit， 所以没有 unit 有什么关系啊？有关系的。183 1.6 dollar rabbit OK or cake， 我不知道你这个183.16是什么东西啊，对不对 Michael OK so next one 3 times 3 times 10 times pi divided by 3 so it's 30 pi so times 3.14 so 942 so sorry 94.2 centimeter cube OK 不给我这个不给我 unit 的 Lilac 知道了啊，是不是打屁股，对不对 OK so let's take a look at the next one OK so sometimes so a corn has a radius of 14这个我们不讲了，这个都会做了，对不对 OK let's move forward to the next one so sometimes we know the volume and how do we yeah 没有这个题目吗这个都太简单了这个都太简单了啊！老师现在给你们，你们这个背公式都会背的，对不对？OK，好，我们现在换一个啊。所以那个 Michael 说：“老师啊，你就不能给我们点简单的题目吗？不行，OK，我就要弄你们。I want to make it harder, the better. OK, so everybody, we have a coin here. OK, OK, so the corn, the volume of corn equals, let me see, 120 centimeter 120 pi centimeter cube. And the height of them is 10 centimeter. And I want you to tell me the radius of this cone. Everybody, please start to calculate. Okay, very good, Jasper, Daniel. Jasper，我发觉你这个上了，你最近暑假是不是在家里用功了？没有啊，哦，去了看了一趟学校就开光了。So, how many university you went?
I went to like
Harvard?
10.
Harvard?
Harvard, MIT, Yale. 哦，这是Yale. I went to a lot of places.
NYU, Columbia?
啊，
right？
对呀
那你最喜欢哪一个？
，MIT。
啊，真的呀？我跟你讲啊，哎，so let's just this question is very easy. Let me just calculate it, and after that, I just to tell you something. Okay, this is worth $10 million thing. So Lilac, let's take a look at this one. In order to find out the volume of this one equals what? Equals radius times pi times height divided by 3, correct? So that means these all plus together times together equals 120, right, Michael? So that means radius times pi times height equals 360. Do you understand, Lilac? Because these all things divided by 3 equals 120. So we time 3 here, so it's going to be 360. Don't you agree with me, everybody? Ethan? Right? So because the height, sorry, this is pi. So the height is 10. So it means, so pi and pi, we can just cross, divided by pi for both length. So r squared times pi equals 360. So r squared equals 36. Do you understand? Because it's divided by 10 and divided by 10 for both ends. So r equals 6. 哎呀，Michael，你刚才对的。Michael，你刚才对的。哎，我刚才看到你对，你还可以撤回的，是不是？你刚才撤回了，对不对？然后改错了。Okay, so let me. So everybody.
Yeah, I roll again. I roll again.
Yeah. So everybody, let me just tell you one thing, okay? Have you ever seen like in a group, like there are 30, more than 30 people in this group, like all of them went to MIT. Jasper, let me show you some pictures. Yes. 鹏鹏这次暑假的时候 so in Pengpeng's summer vacation, we went to the Tampa. Let me show you. So 我把这个照片给你们 share 一下啊。So I'm going to send all of them to you so you can see both of them one by one. 1 second. Where's it? 你们看一下啊。Why? Why it's not working? 等一下，我给你们看一个别的吧。我先用视频的比较快。So this is the group of United States. Why it's not there? Give me 1 second. Okay, find it. Okay, 我给你们看一下啊。Okay, everybody, here. Sorry. No. Here. Here. Okay, so this is the everybody. Can you see it, everybody? Hello?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
is the United States team. So everybody, can you see? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So all 13 people, there's only one girl, and 13 of them are accepted by MIT.
Really?
Yeah, can you believe that? All of them, every single one of them. So they all accepted by MIT. Do you understand why? Because they're the team of America. So if you are the team of Canada, all of you are gonna get into the MIT as well. Do you understand, Jasper?
Team of Canada, like the what of Team of Canada?
Mathematics.
Oh,
Yeah. Do you get it? Yeah. So it's not some of them get it. 是所有的人都进去。Michael, 你知道吗？ So do you know what is the acceptable rate percentage of MIT? So every year they allow more than, I think, 好像8万多个人去申请，还是12万人去申请，只招200多个人，还是300多个人 ？Correct, Jasper? The accepted rate is really, really low. 知道吗？可是在这里面，这13个人全部都进了，而且他们同时还拿到 Harvard acceptable letter，还有 Princeton，还有还有哪个很好的学校叫什么 Stanford 呀？还有 Stanford，知道了吗？所以我们要不要好好学数学？
嗯，
要好好学数学，对不对 ？Daniel 要不要好好学数学？要好好学数学啊 ，Grace，OK？、好，Grace，你看到这里面只有一个女生，这个女生被所有好的大学都录取了，她只有11年级。She's not only 12 yet, grade 12 yet. Grade 11, she's being accepted by all the good schools already. Understand? So this is something I want you keep doing, okay? I want to see all of you getting enrolled into the good university. Understand?
okay.
Okay, Ethan, you agree with me? Okay, so everybody, let's go take a look at this one. Very good. Okay, so I think we're doing very good with the corn and cylinder. So now let's move forward to the part that grade 8 we're going to learn is called the Pythagorean theorem. And also we're going to see how the AMC 8 is going to test you, or the Math League is going to test you with the the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So everybody, can you tell me, can you answer me one thing? Pythagorean theorem is having on the triangle, and it is having on the right triangle. This is something I want you to remember in your notebook, okay? Pythagorean theorem is only applied on the right triangle. I want you to write down Pythagorean theorem is only applied on right triangle. Can you write it down, everybody?
Hey guys, in this video, we'll
哎呀，对呀，哎呀，谁在看呀？谁在看呀？被发现了。谁？刚才谁在看 YouTube？是不是啊？有人在看 YouTube。Hello, Daniel's dad。你爸爸跟你一起出去玩了吗，Daniel？
没有，
对啊，他在这里上班，对不对？
对，
对啊，爸爸是不是很伟大？
玩，
你不觉得爸爸很伟大吗？爸爸没有出去玩，你跟妈妈出去玩了。
Well, I'm a kid.
You're a kid, yeah, I know, but the thing is, he can just come to go back to China with all of you as well, right? Okay,
Yeah,
so everybody, let's
yeah,
take a look at this one. If you write down the Pythagorean, only apply on the right triangle. Everybody, let's take a look at this one. We have a longest line called hypotenuse, and this one is called the shorter one, and this one is called the other short one. Okay, 所以这两条边是直角边 so we can call it right angle line, and we call it hypotenuse. Okay, so everybody 斜边、短边、长边。Okay, so everybody, the hypotenuse is always the longest one, so we called it C. And this one, you can say this is A, this is B, or we say this is A, this is B, it doesn't matter. It's always C is the longest one. Do you get it, Michael? Copy me? Okay, so we have equation is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so if you get it, so we're going to say, okay, so for instance, we have this one is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and we don't know the longest line. What is a measurement? It is very easy. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Okay, so everybody get it? Okay, so now I give you some questions. Okay, so if this one is 5 centimeter, this one is 12 centimeter, could you please tell me what is the longest line? What is the measurement of that one? OK，做完的小朋友，我们看一下啊。OK，so it's 12 squared plus 5 squared lilac equals what squared, right? So let's take a look at this one. This one equals what? 144. And this one equals 25 equals what squared? So 169 equals what squared? So it's 13. Very good. Thank you. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, okay? So not necessarily, Jasper, always is a whole number. 明白吗？不是说只有在它是一个 whole number，它是decimal 的时候也可以做。Okay, and now I'm going to tell you. So if I give you some numbers, I tell you C and I tell you A, and I want you to calculate B. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So if I'm going to give you, let me give you some hard one. So let me see. So if I give you this one as 10 and this one is 6, can you tell me the measurement of this one? And I'm going to give you another one. This one's 25, this is 24, and what is this one, okay? So two questions, 1 and 2.
Carrie, I have to go.
Oh, okay, okay. But remember to watch the video, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Ethan, I got the answer. Michael, 你要给我答案的，你不能让我算了，什么 a squared？那 a squared 是什么呀
Okay. Just 8.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Wait. Oh shoot.
Okay, so Jasper got the first question right, Daniel got both of them right, and Michael got both of them right. Very good, very good. Okay, so I give you another 1 minute. 我再 give 你们中文和英文合起来说。Okay, very good. I got Jasper's. Very good. Okay. How everybody? So very easy, right? So 100. 来看好了 100 minus 36 equals 64. So 64 equals 8 squared. So this is 8. So 25 squared equals 600 and 25 squared equals what? 没有人知道 625.
625.
Thank you. Okay, so minus 576, so equals 49. So 49 equals 7 squared, so that's why this one equals 7. Good job. Very good. Uh-huh.
Carrie, can I go
Yeah.
to the washroom?
Yeah, of course. 哦，不行，Jasper，你要尿在裤子上，回来，尿在裤子上。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Lilac 说这样不好吧，老师，这个班级里面还有一个女生呢，你就让我们看她尿在裤子上，不太好吧？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. The base of isosceles triangle ABC is 24 and its area is 60. What is the length of one of the congruent side? Okay, so isosceles triangle. Let's take a look at this one. 这个就有点难了啊。我们先来看什么是 isosceles triangle, Daniel.
A triangle with two sides that are the same.
Very good. Okay, so everybody, isosceles triangle means these two sides are the same. Okay, so the base is 24 and its area is 60. So why they're telling me this, everybody? So if we know the base and we know the area, we can immediately find out what, everybody? Because area of a triangle equals what? Base times height divided by 2, correct? Okay, so Jasper, the area of this triangle is 60 and the base is 24. So all of you, can you tell me what is the height?
Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
what does the H stand for?
Height.
Height? Oh,
Yeah, height. So base times height divided by 2.
Is it centimeters?
OK，好，我们来看看啊。
Is it centimeters?
Yeah, centimeters. It
Okay.
doesn't say centimeters, so you can just leave it open. Jasper got it right. Michael got it right. Lilac 还不对。Daniel got it right. Lilac 我们看一下啊。So 24 divided by 2 equals what? We just see the left side and right side. So 24 divided by 2 equals what? Lilac? 24 divided
13?
12, right?
Oh, 13.
It's 12 times height, right? So 12 times height equals 60, 那 height equals what? 很简单 5, 对不对？好了，那说明老师这个图画错了啊。这个是 base 很长 base very big. Correct, everybody? It should be like that. This one equals 24 and this one equals 5. Correct, everybody? So we have a triangle like that. Jasper? Okay, so everybody, Michael, Jasper, Daniel, I want you to write down this one, okay? When you have an isosceles triangle and you cut them into half, and this one, the height cut the bottom into half. Only happened, it is an isosceles triangle. Remember, everybody? So when you have an isosceles triangle, you cut them into the half with the height. So this one is 12 and this one is 12. So everybody, they want you to find out what is a measurement of this one. Can you tell me how to do it? Okay, very good. Okay, good job, Daniel. So everybody, because this is the right triangles, this is 5, this is 12. So this one very easy equals what? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 25 plus 144 equals 169, which is 13 squared. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now let's move forward to the number 2. In triangle ABC, AB equals BC equals 29 and AC equals 42. And what is area of ABC? Okay, so this question is very close, very similar to the example 1. And everybody, if you want to get it right, you have to write, you have to draw the picture yourself. Okay, everybody. So this is B, this is A, this is C. Okay, so AB equals 29, BC equals 29, and AC equals 42. Okay, So we want to make a height. In order to calculate the area, we need a height, right? Everybody, I'm not going to tell you anymore, just to stop you. Okay. OK，做完了吗，小朋友们？Okay, so remember, Jasper, did I say this to you? When we have a isosceles triangle, obviously this again, isosceles triangle, right? We have a B and put it there. And we have a what? We have a height. Correct, everybody? Is it a height? So this height is exactly cut this 42 into what? 21 and 21, correct? So now the question is find the area of ABC. So Lilac, we know the area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. We know the base is 42, but we don't know the height. Can we calculate the height ourselves? Because this is a right triangle. It's 29 squared equals 21 squared plus height squared. Correct, everybody? Great. Daniel 说，我是错了，我让你重新再做一遍 ，OK？ 好，老师已经帮你们了啊，看看哪个小朋友做出来，好不好？好了，只有 Daniel 一个人做出来。那 Jasper 老师问你一下，这里是不是29？这个斜边是不是29？对不对 ？It's 29. This is 21. 那我问你，29的 square 你有做吗？
It's 841.
841, very good. 那21的 square 呢
441.
？441, very good. 那你告诉我 h 的 square 是多少
400.
？It's 400, very good. 那400等于什么
20.
？20, very good. The height is 20, correct?
Yep.
好，那你现在还不会做这个 area 吗？那42 times what?
21 divided by 2.
20, 哪里 20.
Oh, 20.
Divided by 2, correct? So it's 440, 42. 我要把这个除了。我20直接除以 2, 这 times 10, 对不对？
Yeah.
Yeah, so equals 420.
20.
Yeah, that's right. Good job, Daniel. Very good. Okay, Daniel, very good. Get it, Jasper?
Yep.
Get it, Michael?
Yes.
Which part you're not very sure about it? 哪个地方？没关系，你问好了。Lilac 什么地方不太懂？
And 20. How you got how you got 21?
21. The question is telling 老师在前面那道题就跟你说了，任何一个等腰三角形，如果你在上面做一个 height, right? So this height is exactly cutting this bottom into half. So 42 的 half 是不是 21?
Yes.
Yeah, 所有的等腰三角形 if it is an isosceles triangle, it is always like that.
Okay.
So you have to memorize it. Okay, understand everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number example 3, okay? Given the area of the 3 squares in figure, what is the area of the interior triangle? 哎呀，这个 figure 没有了啊，那算了，这道题做不了。OK， 啊，我的图都到哪去了？OK， 这道可以做。OK，Example 5 in the non-convex quadrilateral， so 这个图是这样子的。OK，so it's A B C D。OK，so triangle BCD is a triangle, is a right triangle. OK，AB equals 12, BC equals 4, CD equals 3, and AD equals 13. Okay, so please tell me what is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? So we want to find out the area of this one. So before we do that, everybody, have we ever learned the area of this weird shape? 有没有学过？有没有学过？老师有没有教过你们做这样子的？肯定没有，对不对？ So when we never learned that before, so I need to put a D and a B together. Okay, everybody, if I put a DB together, can you find out this is actually a what? It's a right triangle as well. Okay, so the area, so how to calculate area is the bigger right triangle minus this one and equals this one. Do you understand, everybody? Daniel? Okay, good. Jasper?
Yep.
Michael?
No, yeah.
Okay, the bigger one, 看好老师 the bigger right triangle minus the smaller one. 很简单 okay? Thank you, Daniel. Good job. You get it. Jasper, can you tell me what is the area, what is the measurement of BD?
Measurement BD.
Mm-hmm.
What, Carrie, is my answer right?
Answer no. Daniel's right. Jasper is not right. Very good. BD is 5. Good job. So if BD is 5, everybody, so this is height. So 12 times 5 divided by 2 equals what? Equals 30 centimeter, right? So Jasper, you gave me the answer is, sorry, Daniel, 你也不对啊. Okay. So 30 is a total thing. 你是不是 divide, 你忘记 divided by 2? Okay, is it 30 is a total area of this triangle, 对不对 Jasper? 你做对了一半，但我还要把这个减掉呢。这个小的三角形是什么？这里是3，这里是4，那是不是 3 times 4 divided by 2 equals 6? So the answer should be 30 minus 6 equals 24. Yeah, Daniel, now you're right. Get it? So Daniel forgot to divide it by 2, and Jasper forgot to minus 6. Jasper, do you know why we minus 6?
The area of the small.
Small one you didn't do, right? The area of the small one you didn't. Michael, understand? So the bigger one is 12 times 5 divided by 2 equals 30. And if you ask me, where did you get the 5? It is very easy because 3, 4, and 5, because this is a right triangle. So if this one 3, so 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So that's why this is 5 squared. So this is 5. So this is the base 12. So 12 times 5 divided by 2 equals 30. So 3 times 4 divided by 2 equals 6. So that's why the answer is 24 centimeters. So the answer is B. Stan?
Wait, how did he get 6 again?
So this is the area of this little triangle. So this triangle, this line is 3, this line is 4. So base times height divided by 2 equals area of this little triangle. Get it, Jasper?
Yep.
Lilac? Okay. So let's take a look at this one, okay? No. We take a look at this one, number 8. What is the perimeter of the trapezoid ABCD? So everybody, do you understand what is a trapezoid mean? It's this one, the shape, okay? And I'm going to help you a little bit. I'm going to build a height here. Okay, so if this one is a rectangle, so if the top is 50, so this one would be 50 as well. So in order to calculate the perimeter, so it's just every single line plus together, right? So this one is 50. So obviously, all you need to do is find out the area of this one and find the measurement of this one. And this is 24, and this is also 24. Daniel, I have already helped you a lot, correct? Okay, so now the calculation is yours. Okay, Danielle and everybody, have you finished calculating? Okay. Jasper, Daniel, you know what? You have the same answer. And also, yeah, Jasper and Daniel have the same answer. So if you get it right, you get the right together. If you get it wrong, that means you two are wrong together. Okay, so I want to ask Michael. Michael, do you aware ABE is a right triangle?
Yes.
Okay, so if it is a right triangle, so does it mean 30 squared equals 24 squared plus question mark squared? Or we say AE squared. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so 30 squared, can you tell me what is the answer? Thirty times 30不用做的 OK Michael 30 times 30你看看应该就出答案了 Michael 看着我 3 times 3 equals 9 so it's 900 get it
Yes.
okay so 24 times 24 equals what Jasper
576.
576 very good so plus AE squared 对不对 okay Michael so AE squared equals what equals 900 minus 576 so equals 324 so AE equals what 324 square root equals what 没有人知道
18.
very good so equals 18 so this one is 18 okay everybody the same thing lilac let's take a look at this one so if I said this is F so triangle CDF it's a right triangle did you get it okay if it is a right triangle then 25 squared equals 24 squared plus FD squared okay so 625 equals 300 and oh sorry 576 plus FD squared okay so FD squared equals what equals this one minus this one equals 49 so FD equals 7 so how do we do it 30 plus 50 plus 25 plus 7 plus 50 plus 18 so the answer is so this one is 75 so 105 so this one is 75 so the answer is 180 so everybody Jasper got it right Daniel got it right very good okay so both of you get it right and Michael and Lilac do you understand how we get 180
Yes.
okay good job okay just the calculations okay just the calculations okay so let's take a look at one last question okay so we have example 9 rectangle ABCD why it's a rectangle because this is 6 this is 5 okay and the right triangle CDE have the same area okay so obviously we know what is area of the rectangle and the same area of this triangle and we're drawing the form point a trapezoid and we want to find out what is DE okay 我觉得这道题很简单 what is DE everybody take a look and tell me OK，Daniel 做完了。OK，加油啊，小朋友们。No, Bagel，我在上课。OK，你不能过来玩。OK，so 老师帮你们做一下好不好 ？OK，so Jasper, Michael，我问你们一下 OK。So in this area, is it 30? Does anybody have problem with that? Area of ABCD is it 30? OK，那如果这个是5，这个是不是也是5 ？If this is 5, this is 5. So let's take a look at this one. If this area is 30, so we know 5 times CE divided by 2 equals 30. So 5 times CE equals 60. So CE equals 12. Get it? So if this is 5, this is 12. This is very easy. It is 13 because 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Understand? Michael, if you don't understand, I can explain again because I can see like you're having a not very sure face, right? Which part you're not very sure about it?
5, 12, and 13.
5, 12, and 13? Because this is 5, this is 13.
I know 5, 12 and 13.
Yeah, so with 12, I calculated. Because 这个长方形的面积是30，对不对？那这个三角形的面积也是30。So how do we calculate the area of a triangle? It's base times height. So we don't know what it is. We don't know, but we know the base is 5. So it's 5 times CE divided by 2 equals 30. Correct? So 5 times CE equals 60. So that's why CE equals 12. This is how I get it. So you have to know, like, calculate the area of the triangle. This is part we learned a long time ago. 就已经学了很早很早，现在是不是忘了？
I still know base times height is divided by 2 is the triangle formula, but
But what? No, you need to ask me the question or else I don't know how to answer you. So do you understand CD equals 5?
yes.
Okay, so we know the area of this triangle is 30. So it's 5, so we say S is X, okay? 5 times X divided by 2 equals 30. Do you understand this equation?
Yes.
Why it is like that? Because 5 is the base, X is the height, right? And divided by 2 equals 30, right? So 5X equals 60. Do you understand this one?
Yes.
So X equals what?
12.
Yes. So how do we get 13? It's because this is a right triangle. So 5 squared plus 12 squared equals DE squared. So 5 squared equals 25 and 12 squared equals 144 equals DE squared. So 169 equals DE squared. So DE equals what? 13. Get it? Which part you don't understand?
I understand everything now.
每个都懂了?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so everybody, we learned the Pythagorean theorem, and I'm going to give you some questions to do for your homework. Okay, Lilac? And see if you can do it. And if you cannot, just let me know, and then we can help you. Okay, so Michael, you have to write down everything. Okay, so the more you practice, you'll understand better. So Daniel, I think you understand all of them, right? Jasper is 80%. I can say Michael is 70%, correct? Okay, so Lilac is between 60 to 70. So that is normal, okay? So not everybody can understand every question directly. So we need time to go back home and study a little bit of time more. Okay, understand? So that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. And I want you to do the homework and send it to me over to the Google Classroom. Is that okay, Jasper? Jasper, 我跟你说，你在
Okay.
学校的时候，你再这样偷偷看视频，我告诉你妈妈了啊！啊，能不能下一节不看 ？OK， 好，你不看的时候还是都学的挺好的，好不好？Okay, that's it for today's class and see you next week. Bye bye.